Hi there. I run a small YouTube channel. It's got just under 7,000 subscribers, and I've recently, well, a few months ago, reached 1 million views. And I thought I'd make a short video on how much revenue that generated me of 1 million views. Now, bear in mind, the information on this video is based on my personal YouTube channel. The amount you get yourself for your own channel will vary. There's lots of different factors going to vary how much you get paid. I'm also going to look into how many views you'd need to have to be a full-time YouTuber. How possible is it to become a full-time YouTuber? As in the modern day, particularly the current times and conditions, being a YouTuber and being able to work from home seems like quite a good idea. But how possible is it? I'll go through that at the end of the video, but let's straight away get on to how much I get paid. Here it is now. So, what does 1 million views get you? Well, I looked at my period from the 11th of March 2019 to the 11th of March 2020, where I got just over 1 million views, and for that I got paid £2,147.65. This is the estimated revenue, but I do normally find the estimated revenue is pretty accurate. What they actually pay you is pretty much identical to that. So basically what this means, if 1 million views gets me that much money, 1,000 views would give me, let's just look it up, it would be £2.15. 1,000 views gets you about £2.15, so not really that great. So you've really got to get some significant views and some significant watch time if you're going to make any significant money on YouTube. I'm going to break that down a bit more now. The minimum wage for someone 25 and over is £8.72 per hour. Now, if we assume they work 35 hours a week, that's 1,820 hours a year, they're going to earn £15,870.40. Now, to earn that much on YouTube, you're going to need 7,381,640.45 views per year. So basically 7.4 million views a year. Now, the good thing with YouTube is your pre-existing videos can still generate your income if they keep getting views. So basically I'm going to take that into account. So if we assume 1/3 of your views are from pre-existing videos, this means you still need to get 4.9 million views on your new videos each year. Or if you're doing daily vlogs, you would need to get 13,482 views per daily vlog. If we were now to assume that half your views came from pre-existing videos, that means you'll still need to get 3.7 million views on your new videos each year. Or 10,111.84 views per daily vlog. To get 10,000 views per day in your daily vlogs will take quite a bit of time. So you've got to really build up your reputation and build up your audience. So it's not just going to happen overnight. It might take quite a few years to get to that stage. Thanks for watching and getting to this part of the video. So now I'm going to go through some of the things that are going to affect how much you get paid by YouTube. This is just based on my personal experience. I don't work for YouTube, so I don't know exactly how it all works. I'm going to have a look at that by comparing some of my videos. So this video here, firstly, is done quite well. It's got nearly 18,000 views, and I've got £26.98 from it. That works out to £1.51 per 1,000 views. Which you might notice that's less than what I said originally for 1,000 views. And I think the reason this one's got less is because of the video length. It's 8 minutes and 14 long. If your video is less than 10 minutes long, less adverts can get added, so you'll get less revenue. If your video is more than 10 minutes long, you're basically going to get more revenue. The other thing that's going to affect it is also your audience retention. So in this video, on average, people watch 4 minutes of the 8-minute video, about 48.7% of the video, which is fairly decent.
So I really think on this one, it really is just the length of the video that's affected how much I get paid per 1,000 views. Let's now have a look at another video. This video is a bit of a longer one, 21 minutes. So you would have thought I'd maybe get paid a bit more for this one. But I actually haven't. I've got 11,000 views, so obviously less views. And that's obviously going to affect the revenue amount, £11.89. But the amount I get paid per 1,000 views on this one was only £1.06. And the reason I think that's less is because of the figures down here. Audience retention. Only 7 minutes and 26 seconds of the video is watched on average. 34.3%. So that's just about 15% less than the other video. Let's look at one final video. Now this video is my most popular video at the moment. It's got nearly 250,000 views. And from that, I've got £715.33. For 1,000 views, it works out to £2.88. So that's quite a bit more than the other videos. Now, don't be thinking I'm any YouTube expert, 'cause I'm not. But in my opinion, I think what's different here is the audience retention. 5 minutes and 11 seconds of the video has been watched on average. That's 51.6%. Plus, the video is over 10 minutes long, only 4 seconds over though, so this means they can put more adverts in. This might help you to understand why a lot of YouTubers make their videos just over 10 minutes long, maybe 10 minutes and 1 second, or 10 minutes and 5 seconds. And if you look through their channel, you'll see loads of their videos of that length. Hopefully this explains why they've done that. It gets them more money.
As well as that, things can affect it a lot, how much the advertisers pay YouTube, as different advertisers will pay YouTube different amounts. So for example, maybe someone who's advertising, maybe on my channel they might advertise a product for helping their theory tests. They're probably not going to have a big budget for advertising if their product only costs the consumer maybe £20. So adverts, you're not going to get too much from adverts from that. However, if maybe someone like Samsung put an advert on your channel, maybe your channel's to do with technology and gaming, Samsung might want to target your video for advertising. They're going to have a massive budget of millions of pounds. So you're going to get a bit more revenue from someone like Samsung advertising on your channel. So basically, who advertises on your channel is going to affect how much you get paid. It's also going to depend if your viewers skip the adverts or watch them. If they skip the adverts, obviously you're going to get less income. If they watch the whole advert, maybe they click through, I believe that could affect the income. It's also going to depend on what type of advert is used. Some adverts, just the little sort of banner ones that go sort of just somewhere down here, I think they're quite a bit cheaper. Where if it's the one where maybe it's a non-skippable ad and it fills the whole screen, it's a whole video, then that's obviously going to cost a bit more for them to put on YouTube, and therefore you're going to get paid a bit more for that. So the type of advert that's used in your channel will affect how much you get paid. Bear in mind, some content you create will not be able to advertise on. It'll be unmonetized. This is certain things, such as if it's made for kids quite recently, they're not allowed to advertise on content that's made for kids. Sensitive topics, like the thing that's currently going around at the moment, which I won't mention, but anything quite sensitive, it's going to maybe upset people, they won't advertise on that, like global events, that sort of thing. Other things that could affect it, let me think, are swearing. Swearing could be one of them. If you've got swearing on your video, you're likely to be demonetized. And basically, if the content's just not appropriate, maybe it's just quite gory, it's quite rude and vulgar, they're not going to want to advertise on that channel. So that's not an endless list of what things are going to affect how much you get paid by YouTube, but it's just a few examples I'm aware of, having been doing YouTube and being paid for about a year. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope it helps you to be successful on YouTube and get some good views and start getting some revenue from YouTube. and even ideally go into YouTube full time if that's the thing you want. Bye for now.